On Saturday, March 27th, we're selling land. Beautiful, gently rolling pasture land can be yours in Henagar, Alabama. In addition, there is a 3-bedroom, 3-bath brick home with a workshop and full basement. The term immaculate doesn't do this home justice. You'll not find a better example of move-in ready than this beautiful private home. The property is in DeKalb County, Alabama, just outside of Henagar on Sand Mountain. It's country comfort at its best, secluded, safe, and beautiful. On Saturday, March 25th at 10 a.m., Auctions United and Wilson Realty will be selling the Sharon Stiefel estate, 47 acres offered in 3 tracts. Buy one tract or the whole thing. The property is located at 3116 County Road 671, Henagar, Alabama. The tracts range in size from 47 acres up to 22 acres. Each tract has good road frontage along County Road 126 or County Road 671. Neighbors are there, but not too close. The land would be great for a cattle farm and includes 2 nice-sized ponds. The tracts are mostly beautiful pasture, surrounded in woods. This well-kept property is just waiting for the right family to move in. The home is brick with a front porch and a separate 2-car garage with a covered walkway at the side. There is an asphalt driveway leading to the garage. On the back is a nice covered deck. There is a single garage door in the back that leads to the unfinished part of the full basement. Through the front door is an entry foyer that leads to a large great room with a gas fireplace and built-in bookcases on each side. The entire floor in most of the house is parquet wood flooring. There is tile in the kitchen. There are ceiling fans throughout the house. The large eat-in kitchen has nice wood cabinets and a washer and dryer connection near the side door. The kitchen has a stove, over-the-stove microwave, refrigerator, and dishwasher that come with the house. There is a door that leads out onto the back deck from the dining area that allows plenty of light to brighten up the room. You'll find nice wood trim around the doors throughout the home. There is an abundance of storage areas throughout the home. Each bedroom has a spacious closet. There is a hall bath with tub and shower. The corner bedroom has a private bath with tub and shower. The unusual master bedroom features its own master bath with shower and dressing area. Downstairs is a full basement. Half has been finished as a bonus room. The other half is unfinished and holds a 1-car garage. There is a separate gravel driveway leading from the road to the huge workshop behind the house. The workshop features a large commercial-sized garage door and a workbench area. There is also an unfinished, stubbed-in, full bath with shower in the back corner. The fixtures are there, just waiting to be installed. This property is impressive and would make any family a wonderful home. The tracts can be viewed at any time. Look for the Auctions United signs. There will be an open house Saturday, March 18th from 10 a.m. till 12 noon. Other times by appointment. Call Wilson Realty. To get to the property and the auction site, from the intersection of Alabama Highway 75 and Highway 40 in Henagar, take Highway 75 north. Go 1.3 miles and turn right on County Road 126, Ridgeview Drive. Go 1.7 miles. Turn right on County Road 671 and go 0.2 miles. The house is on the left. See the Auctions United website at auctionsunited.com for a downloadable sales brochure and plat. A 10% buyer's premium will be added to the final bid and due the day of the sale. The balance is due at closing within 30 days. Auctions United conducts this sale in conjunction with Wilson Realty of Fort Payne, Alabama. Call Jim Gibbons at Auctions United, 800-222-5003. Wilson Realty at 256-845-1530. Randy Wilson, 256-997-6972. Or Bo Wilson at 256-844-7298 for more information. Auctions United. Your trust deserves our very best.